All right, guys, your boy Huggy here. I'm down here in downtown Prattville, Alabama. It's just a cool little strip with some little mom and pop shops, coffee, pizza, ice cream, a few cafes and restaurants, things like that. So I'm gonna walk up and down here just to give you a shot of what it looks like. There's a river behind me. I'm gonna check that out. But make sure you stick around to the end because there's actually a bamboo forest around here. Now I'm gonna go check out. I'll take you guys with me. So stick around to the end for that. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. For now, let's take a walk around downtown Prattville. Come on, guys. Guys, so you can see here, right where I parked, there's actually this cool little garden. So I'm already loving downtown Prattville. If you come down this trail, they did a pretty good, cool job with the landscaping. It actually empties out here, down here, this river. So pretty cool little spot. Guys, I'm here at Bamboo Wilderness Park, Prattville, Alabama. So it looks pretty cool here. I'll get you turned around here in a second. I saw that this apparently was designed to be like jungle warfare training for the military decades ago, like Vietnam era. But they built this park so they could train the military jungle tactics. Now it's just a bamboo park to walk around. So one thing I'll point out, I don't know if you can't really tell or pick it up in the camera, is there's a lot of different sounds and visuals that my mind's not used to. I can almost feel it trying to register it and create new neurological senses to be aware of what's going on around me. It's kind of crazy. Looks like something straight out of a horror movie. They could do Blair Witch 3 here. Look at this. They're hollow. They're not heavy at all. This is like a 40-foot branch. It probably weighs 3 pounds. Size of this one. You just pick it up over your head. This thing's like a 30-foot branch. Alright guys, so I think Prattville as a whole was a pretty cool little town. More for the ladies, I think. A lot of that boutique candle type of stuff. But the bamboo forest was really cool. Hope you guys enjoyed checking that out. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'm gonna get out of here, get something to drink, get some gas, and sorry, heading home. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Talk to you guys later. Down the side of the road here on my way out. So I guess the forest goes back a lot further than the parts that have the trails cut out for. There was parts that went way back. Like I said, that was jungle training for Vietnam, so there was actually tons of acres that you couldn't even get to. It's very, very cool, very dense in there. While I'm actually thinking of this, see, I got this Pepsi when I stopped for gas, and it just got me thinking about a conversation I had a couple weeks ago about what's your favorite soda, and I couldn't answer the question. I think you pair it like a fine wine. It depends on like what I'm doing, what I'm eating. You know, if I'm having pizza, I like a Pepsi. If I'm having a burger, I like a Coke or a cherry Coke. If I'm having like a, you know, ham and cheese sandwich, I actually rather have like a fruit flavor, like a grape soda. I don't know, am I crazy at that? Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Or do you just have a straight up favorite soda? I love a Mountain Dew. a code red. If I'm just having soda, I'll just go code red. The store I stopped at didn't have them. They didn't have frozen Cokes. So I guess you could say Pepsi was my third runner-up in that situation. I don't know. You guys let me know. Nice signal. Starting to cool off here. You'll notice I'm wearing a jacket again for the second time. I'm ready this year though. If you haven't seen those product review videos I've been doing, I got a winter heated jacket from KEMIMOTO and a pair of winter gloves. I'll put the link here, you can check those videos out. But I'm hoping to be able to ride at least into December, early January. I don't know about late January, February. I know some of you guys, the riding season's already over. There up north. Well, I appreciate you guys hanging out. I'm gonna cut it off. If anything interesting happens, I'll bring you guys back, but I don't think there's just like another 30-40 minutes of this. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Hit that like, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Helps that channel grow, and I appreciate you guys. I'll talk to you later.